In front of me is XIAOMI 12S Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access notifications and control center. Then click on app notifications and tap on sort by at the top. Now click on the best option for you. In my case, number of notifications. Now click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable them, like Google. You can switch them back on the same way. If you wish to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!